Hey, Lynette.
Hi, how
How
you
are you?
doing?
Good.
My husband and I've learned a lot from your program, and we've got a couple questions.
Okay.
I have a $10,000 401k annuity, which is going to be in a couple months where I can roll it over to my IRA.
Uh-huh.
And we've done some research, and we're wondering what the difference is. We were looking at the Calvert Social Index Fund,
Mm-hmm.
and we're seeing where that gets better rates and less fees than the Timothy.
Yes.
So we were kind of wondering, the guy we go through says it's, got all
Mm-hmm.
of our values and stuff like that, Calvert
Sure.
does, but we were wondering what the difference was.
So Calvert still supports abortion and pornography and a number of others. As a matter of fact, if you call Timothy, or if I can even do it, but run the screens on them, and they are not biblically responsible. They have some socially responsible positions, and I appreciate that as well, but I wouldn't call them biblically responsible. But that's okay. So the difference is pretty much, what you've outlined. They've got billions of dollars to work with that they manage, so their fees are spread out over a much larger pool, and that helps keep their fees down. From a year-end return, I don't think they were that much. I mean, I don't know. Timothy's growth fund did 31% last year. I don't think theirs did a whole lot better. They might not even have done as well. So I think comparable from return-wise, past returns, it hasn't been that much difference. So I would say that fees are important when you're looking at mutual funds. They are important because obviously they're going to impact your bottom line. There's no doubt about that. And they're particularly important on a downturn, when things are down. That's because you get something that is down, and then of course the fee gets thrown on top of it, which exacerbates it a little bit, makes it a little bit worse. And Timothy's fees are a little bit higher. They are $1 billion compared to some that might be $3 or $4 billion, and that's the only reason. But other than that, there's really, it really depends on how. I wouldn't want you to compare it to being biblically responsible, because they're not. They're not. Calvert are not biblically responsible like Timothy is. But so other than that, if that's what you're making your choice on, I'd stick with Timothy.